The first smoke-free breath marks a new beginning, a fresh chapter in your life that is filled with hope and endless possibilities. Quitting smoking is one of the most important decisions you can make for your health and well-being. It's a choice that reflects your commitment to yourself and your future. The moment you put out that last cigarette, your body begins an incredible journey of recovery. Each day without smoking, your body heals and becomes stronger. You might experience some initial cravings, but the benefits you gain are worth every bit of effort. Overcoming these cravings is a testament to your strength and determination. This is a fresh start, a chance to live a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Imagine the freedom of being able to breathe deeply and fully without the constraints of addiction. It's not just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. The joy of spending quality time with loved ones, free from the shadow of smoking, is priceless. Imagine waking up every morning with clear lungs, free from the suffocating grip of addiction. Each morning is a new opportunity to embrace life with a renewed sense of vitality. Picture yourself engaging in physical activities without gasping for air, your body brimming with newfound energy. The world is yours to explore with a healthier body and mind. This is the promise of a smoke-free life, and it all begins with that first smoke-free breath. Embrace this journey and discover the endless possibilities that await you. Your body's incredible recovery starts from hours to years. The journey of healing begins the moment you decide to quit smoking. Within just 20 minutes of your last cigarette, your heart rate and blood pressure start to return to normal. This immediate response is your body's way of saying thank you. This is your body's way of thanking you, of beginning the healing process. Every breath you take becomes a step towards a healthier you. After 8 hours, the carbon monoxide levels in your blood decrease and oxygen levels increase, improving your circulation and lung function. This change helps you feel more energized and less fatigued. As the days turn into weeks, you'll notice you can breathe easier. Your senses of taste and smell sharpen and your energy levels soar. The world around you becomes more vibrant and enjoyable. Your lungs begin to clear out the tar and mucus buildup, making it easier to breathe deeply and exercise without feeling winded. Activities you once found challenging become more manageable. These improvements are just the beginning of a lifelong journey toward better health. Embrace each moment, knowing that your body is continuously healing and becoming stronger. The financial freedom of quitting smoking is often overlooked. Calculate how much money you spend on cigarettes each week, month, and year. You'll be surprised how quickly those costs add up. Quitting smoking frees up significant funds that you can use for other priorities, such as hobbies, travel, or investments. Imagine what you could do with the extra money you save. You could finally take that dream vacation, invest in your education, or simply enjoy greater financial security. Quitting smoking is not just an investment in your health, it's an investment in your future. Section 4. Breathing easy, connecting freely, social and relationship benefits. Smoking affects not only your health, but also your relationships. The smell of smoke clings to your clothes, hair and breath, creating a barrier between you and others. This lingering odor can be off-putting, making social interactions uncomfortable. Quitting allows you to breathe easier and connect with loved ones on a deeper level, free from the stigma and inconvenience of smoking. Imagine being able to share a hug with your loved ones without the lingering scent of smoke. Picture yourself enjoying social gatherings without having to step outside for a cigarette break. Quitting smoking strengthens your social connections and enhances your overall quality of life. You can engage more freely in activities and conversations without the constant need to excuse yourself for a smoke. Picture yourself enjoying social gatherings without having to step outside for a cigarette break. Your presence becomes more pleasant and welcoming to others. Quitting smoking strengthens your social connections and enhances your overall quality of life. It opens up new opportunities for bonding and shared experiences, making every moment more enjoyable. Section 5. A brighter, healthier future, reclaiming your life. In the long run, quitting smoking significantly reduces your risk of developing serious health problems, including heart disease, stroke, lung cancer, and various other cancers. Every year without cigarettes is a victory, a testament to your strength and commitment to a healthier life. Quitting smoking is not about deprivation, it's about liberation. It's about breaking free from the chains of addiction and reclaiming your health, your finances, and your life. It's a journey that requires commitment and support, but the rewards are immeasurable. Take that first step today and embrace a brighter, healthier future.